Welcome back, Nims.
Yeah,
Lovely to have you here.
Oh, we should be live. We should be live.
Not on my screen.
Really?
My screen.
Yeah, it's not coming.
Yeah.
How
All
about
I have is a splash screen.
No, it is now on for me.
it is?
Yeah.
Okay, well, they missed the intro then. Everybody missed the intro. It's all good.
It
What-
wasn't a good intro. You didn't miss
No,
it.
it was terrible. It was a terrible intro. Welcome to Trading with the Boys, guys. Happy November. Hope you all enjoyed your Halloween, got your candy fix. As you can see, we got the usual suspects, Dave, Nima, Palmetto here today. Good morning, Khaled. Good morning, Phil. Good morning, Kev. Good morning, Fletcher, Scott, Savvy, Joel.
Say it. Don't say it.
What? I don't see Phoenix anywhere. Do you see Phoenix anywhere?
I don't see Phoenix. I don't see Phoenix. No.
Let's go.
I don't see Phoenix anywhere yet, so he's not chimed in. I'm sure he'll chime in. Oh, there he is. There's Phoenix.
Yeah.
Morning, Lambra. Welcome. Morning, Martin. So guys, how we feeling today? We looking to be patient, or Dave, you looking to sling?
Not with the lay of the land. No way.
Oh, you've been getting wrecked lately?
Loved it.
I got-
I'd be up and then I give it back. And I'm tired of doing that. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's tough. It's tough. Yeah. I'm gonna.
Dave coming in a little low. Give me a second. I can turn up.
Everyone else. Sorry.
Let me
Something I can do with mine.
try and fix this through Discord here.
The other people's mics are low, by the way, too.
Not sponsored, but we've got the cherry to. I can't even see it because my light.
Not
Cherry with
sponsored.
Solani today.
Oh, I've got an affiliate link to give out later in this stream.
Wow.
Yeah, that's right. Wes
there we
isn't
go.
Wes isn't paying me. I need to pay myself on these streams.
I mean, if I was making money, I'd be more than happy to give you guys some.
I said that's the classic boss
What do you
speech,
mean if
isn't
you're
it?
making
If the
money?
company
We're
was
just
making
talking about
money,
it. We're just talking about your 10,000-foot square house.
Oh, I don't
That's
have a
something that
10,000
is-
square foot house.
yeah, yeah,
That's totally
the
something.
200 meter Ethernet cable that he's just ran.
Yeah.
Um,
Wes was just talking
No,
about
the
how
the speeds were ridiculous.
The lawn care guy had to drive
Oh,
down
jeez.
the street because his driveway was so long. To let him through the gates, through the
my-
rolling hills,
My goodness.
get him to the guest house.
that is so something the man would say.
Yeah. The trick or treaters got their marathon badge just for making it to his door.
Exactly.
I mean, Nimkins was trying to get me to hand out a vape to the kids last night. Just put a vape outside the door and let them rip the vape. I mean,
Three
come
puffs
on.
a kid. 3 puffs a kid.
Oh, jeez.
All right, Open's coming up in about 30 seconds.
Khaled, do I have levels below 20k? Yes, I do. My level on
Let's
Watch the Downside is going to be 19,900 to 920. The rejection here at 130 was kind of key in my opinion. I would expect us to come down here to this 900.
I've got a golden level at 19k 850 if we get that far down.
I hate those.
Oh, yeah, I hate those two.
Why do you
What
all
makes
hate the
it
golden
golden?
level?
Maximum puffs
Yeah,
was
that's what
strictly enforced.
That's pretty good.
Nemo, what makes it golden?
Yeah, it's
Other
always
than
the
the color,
50 level
obviously.
too. It's never like a 30 or a 20.
No.
It's always a 50.
Yep, correct. What makes it golden is it's one of my levels, and it's a level which has paid me a lot of money in the past and has
Okay.
been very successful.
Okay. You got any roulette numbers that have paid you? I got those.
No,
Palm,
no,
you've been
no.
online gambling lately? I've been seeing a lot of posts about roulette.
I stopped.
Okay,
Well,
okay.
okay, so
Is it not going well?
the whole reason I did it in the first place is because my friend likes to sports bet, and if I used his referral, I would get him $100, and then I would also get $200 worth of like free sports bets.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, this is a win-win. I'm gonna put in like $10, and I get essentially 300 total between us. So I got the sports bets, and I took the money I put in. I took the $10 I put in, and I ran it up to 200 in roulette. And then I was like, "This is great." And then I lost it.
Yeah.
So then I put 50 in the next day, and then I lost the 50. So
Yeah. Yeah. The
gambling
gambling gods giveth, and the gambling gods taketh.
They do.
No, you need to bet on the Lions with that money, the free money.
Motivation
Well, so
healing.
that's
We
what
need
I'm
to trade
doing.
gold futures. Is that what he's saying? GC futures? Is that gold? I think it's gold.
I hate gold so much.
I don't know.
Sorry, dude. And then so I'm done with the casino, but I still have all of those. Not all of them. Some of them have been used, but I have the free sports bets. I would look right now. I have like 4 games left of like the free bets, and the Jets won last night, so I'm up 20.
I will tell you. I will DM you after the stream and tell you how to do the free sports bets to always win on them. This is not like you can lay
always win.
Yeah, no,
Always
you. It doesn't matter what the outcome of the game is. You bet on both sides of it using the free sports bet. There's a calculator, so you'll make money whatever happens.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
I'm interested.
No. It's like
Sounds like
it's
a way to lose money, but I'm
Yeah,
interested.
you'll make money no matter what happens. I don't.
Yeah.
I mean, come on.
Look, can I explain-
Nimkins knows a hack, a gambling hack.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, I do. on the free bets, yeah. Because you bet. Let's say you're playing the Lions and Vikings.
Yeah,
you bet on
arbitrage.
both
That's
of
right,
them.
Martin.
Well, I already used all the free bets.
That's
so.
right.
Yeah, thank you, Martin. Thank you. It's a genuine thing. It's a genuine thing.
Yeah,
For what it's
arbitrage
worth,
is.
I-
Hold on. Arbitrage is a genuine thing, like in the business world. I'm not sure.
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
gambling world. It's-
It is in the sports betting world as well. Yeah. There's a famous guy, the mattress guy, who did it.
Oh yeah. In Houston.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
I already used all my free bets though, so
You're
they're already
ruined.
laid down.
You're ruined.
Yeah. Sorry to burst your bubble.
Would you like some free
Flex.
shares though with my affiliate code?
Shave my.
No.
I'll get someone into it. I'll later. I'll do the affiliate code.
Fletcher, you're much better looking than them, so I don't know why you would say that.
What is this? All right. I
Wow.
go for 2 weeks and the bullying continues. All right. What's next? I've seen notifications in the main chat. It's going to be the pie picture. I'm sure as soon as I go in there.
The pie picture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to go in there.
I mean, you have been deemed the pie molester, so.
Whoa.
How's that nickname stuck? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
A little harsh.
Oh,
That
Yeah,
escalated. That escalated quickly.
I'm like redrawing half my level right now. 'cause I haven't-
Yeah, this is. Yeah.
Phoenix is like, you're welcome, Nims.
Cheers, Phoenix. Cheers.
Oh man. I'm still waiting to see what happens up there at 1:30
This is
for right
brutal. Yeah. This is brutal right now.
Amazon to the moon. Let's go to 210.
I don't know, man.
Amazon.
Sweep overnight highs and then plummet below 20k. I'm kind of here for it.
Oh, I don't want to go to 20k again. We don't need to do that again. We spent so long there.
now. What do we call 20k,
We're
Nims?
back there already. So.
Cockroach Motel.
20k
Wow.
is the cockroach motel? Okay.
20k is the Cockroach Motel. Would you not agree?
I mean, I don't like to operate around those big psychological levels anyway, so all of them
Yeah.
are cockroach motels to me.
Yeah, but you don't want to stay there, do you? I mean, that's the main Cockroach Motel. I know there's some Cockroach Motels up the road from there as well, but like, that's the original.
Dude, why is it freezing in here?
You got a window open?
Yeah.
No, it's my heat just like isn't on.
I don't know. The
It's kind
temp-
of cold out today.
temperature's
kinda
pretty
like
nice.
rainy
Been
and
pretty
gloomy.
nice here. We're in like the 70s and mid 70s.
Wow.
Was there
It was 75 yesterday, which was awesome. But
was there a dress code that I missed?
I don't know.
Palm and Dave
Yeah.
ready for the golf course.
Yeah.
yeah,
Palm's got to sport his new clothes. He just got that. Remember, he
Yeah.
he gave us the
That's
fashion show
right.
last Friday. Oh, you weren't
Yeah,
here
yeah,
last
yeah.
Friday. Oh yeah, you were.
No,
Yeah,
I
you
saw
were
the
there.
I saw
you
the
hopped on.
unboxing video. Yeah.
Unboxing video. That's right.
Donna saw my message where I said I'm gonna spam her with memes.
Oh, okay. Wow. That's how you get blocked
No,
again.
don't spam
That's-
don't spam Donna with me.
Yeah, that is
No,
exactly how
I'm
you
not,
get blocked
I'm
again.
not spamming her.
Just
I'm
let
not.
Donna
I
be
just said
Donna.
real hard.
Oh, Cade is
how you
back
get blocked.
in the voice chat. Nice. If you're on the stream, welcome back, Cade. We've missed you.
Oh, Cade's back in Level Up voice chat.
Yeah, I see him in the voice chat. Yeah.
Oh, good on him. Yeah, I haven't seen him in a while. Hopefully he's doing okay.
He's
Good
been
to
doing
know.
uni stuff, like beginning of
Awesome.
uni. It's much more fun than trading.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah.
All right, I had a level around, it was 20,080, but we've just violated that area so much that I think I'm going to take this off.
Yeah.
Don't get confused.
I mean, I don't like this open.
This is brutal.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the week.
No, we want to operate at the extremes, boys. That's where we want to
Yeah.
operate. We want nothing.
Dave, do you hear that? Dave?
Hands are not on the mouse. Not on the mouse.
You'll
Not
know.
on
You'll
the
know
mouse.
if Dave's in a trade because he will just go quiet and he'll bite his lower lip and be staring at
Yeah,
his charts.
And then you hear him whispering to the charts, forgetting anyone's here. It's, go on, push, go on.
Push.
Nims, I must say that shirt is loud.
All right.
Pineapples
So we've got-
and watermelons and
Yeah, there's a selection of fruits on it. All right. What, is the shirt now banned from the stream? It's too loud? for
no,
the
no,
audience?
no.
Okay.
It's fitting of a pie molester.
What, all the fruits which went in the pie?
Well, to be fair, it was just an apple pie in the movie.
It was just an apple. I don't have any apples on this shirt, I would like to confirm.
PMI and ISM make us proud.
Yeah.
Yeah, wait, I didn't check news. Is that 9:45:10 today?
Yeah.
I didn't check
let's
news either.
see. Well, you got PMI at 9:45 and ISM PMI at 10, and then Fed's Logan speech at 8:45. So,
Okay, thank you.
ooh.
What was NFP data? Was it good? Bad?
It wasn't.
It
It wasn't
was-
an NFP. It was like.
Was it
It was
not?
non-farm payroll. Now, non-farm payroll was at 12K. That was it. So,
Was it
So
an NFP?
good, bad.
Yeah, it was NFP
well,
today.
it depends on what you're hoping for, I guess.
I mean, market
Honestly.
did nothing, so I assume doesn't care.
Probably came out in line.
No, expected was like 100K or something, or 112K. It was way not in line.
Someone needs to buy him an apple.
But maybe
Scott
they're
says.
maybe they're blowing it off because of the hurricane that ripped through Carolina.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
The ES
Well-
is above that 70 level right now. I'm thinking about hopping on a long here. I realize the NQ is not.
Gosh.
Yeah, I'm thinking about the YM.
Oh, yeah, look at it go.
running away.
ES is running. You're right. Yeah, like the thing.
Straight down move through there.
I'll VWAP long.
I am actually going to get long here.
I'm long. You know that one's gonna take long. It's room to breathe.
Yeah, I'll give it some room to breathe. Let's go.
I'm long at
Where are you long
11.
from, Wes?
111.
I'm long from 116. You got a better entry than me.
I have better slippage.
Did we ever find out what's in Fletcher's ICT tab?
Fletcher's ICT tab?
Yeah, you know, like the workbook, the chart book he has that just says ICT?
No, I haven't seen it.
Oh, okay. Well,
Fletcher's telling me to be careful. The algo is holding it back. I'm not. I think we get this run.
I'm
it's
break
just
even.
a daily? Okay.
I am
Alright,
break
whatever
even.
you say. Oh, you did? Okay, I missed it. Sorry.
Okay, get above 130 here, and we should be good to go.
Not a lot of buying here. I'm
Where's his key level of the day of 130? I went onto the chat and was like, "How are you doing today, Wes?" It was like,
I was
130 is
giving
my
you the
key
read.
level.
I was giving you the read.
I was just asking how you were.
I was giving you the
If you
read.
su- If you survived the trick or treaters, did you? Was there any incidents?
I mean, I survived the
Any-
trick or treaters. I survived the trick or treaters. It was. They just go for 2 hours around here.
Nice.
Did the vape help you?
130.
Did the vape help me?
When I was in like my last few years of trick or treating, I don't know about you guys, but like I kept trick or treating like into senior year of high school, just because we were like, it's free candy and we have like an excuse to just go mess around all night.
Yeah.
So we'd be out until like 2. It was awesome.
I tried that when I was like 16, trick or treating, and the police were called on me and my mate.
What did you do?
Nothing. They just thought we looked suspicious and that we were too old to be trick or treating.
Okay.
Some people got scared, apparently, us knocking on their door.
We just had keg parties.
Oh.
I mean,
We weren't knocking on doors. We were just like going around. If people had bowls still out on their porches, we were just taking everything.
oh, that's not a
Candy
UK
plus
thing. You have to knock in
Kevin's
UK.
long.
Yeah.
Kevin's long. Minis are micros, Kevin. That'll tell me
Looking for 190.
how much he wants in.
Yeah, I'm just looking for the run of the overnight highs here. I'm not looking for anything massive.
Wait, I just got.
Micros,
who signed up to my trading 212? I just got 3 Nvidia shares.
What?
Was that you, Rabba? Thank you, Rabba, if
Here
it was
it
you.
comes. Here it comes. Come on. Pop it.
Overnight high gone.
Yeah.
Did we
There it
hard
is.
reject here?
All right, I'm out.
I'm out. It probably runs a 2 now that I got out. It was a good one.
Yeah, that was a good trade.
was...
You could probably hold. Honestly, on holds above 130 here on NQ, I'm expecting it at least back into 200. So.
Yeah, but that was a 30 for me. That was a 32-point trade.
Yeah, I am up on the day.
Sweet.
Keyboard just died.
Look at this thing go.
There it goes.
Yeah.
There it goes.
I think my keyboard just died. That's
Really?
awesome.
Guys, I'm up
Yes.
$1,200 on the session. So.
Wes, why'd you make me get out? What is? Come
I
on,
didn't make
man.
you get out.
Oh,
What are you talking
Everyone
about?
get out,
You
everyone
are your
get
own
out,
man. You click the
everyone get
buttons
out.
over there.
I like getting out. I like what
I just
like that trade.
was looking for the overnight high run. That's all I was looking for.
Yeah. That was a nice one. That was sweet.
Okay, well,
It
I
was
have a
sweet.
dilemma.
Yeah, what's your dilemma? You gotta go
I
to
don't
work.
have a keyboard.
What?
No, I don't have a keyboard. Well, it died, so I have to. So my setup, I don't have enough USB-A ports. I hate that everything still uses USB-A. It sucks.
It's going to 200.
So I had to choose when I like go on the live streams here. I have to throw my keyboard on Bluetooth, and then my camera connects through USB-A, and that's my last USB-A slot. So now I have to figure out some method to get everything to connect together. So I'm gonna try to throw my mouse on Bluetooth, I guess.
Don't you have like
And then-
a small USB port or something, or a small USB hub?
Yeah, but it's full.
Oh, you got time for a new PC, Palm. Time for
Dude,
a
I
new
know.
PC.
I'm looking at those M4 Mac Minis. I'm probably just gonna order one this weekend. Honestly, the pre-order. I
Yeah,
really
yeah.
like those. For
I mean,
$600, like
you got Black Friday
what
coming
you're
up,
getting
too.
is awesome. Yeah, Apple doesn't really do sales though, do they?
No.
Yeah, I don't think it's worth waiting.
They like to keep the premium effect on all their products.
Yeah, which like whatever, it's their marketing thing or it's just how they do business. But the M4 Mac Minis, $600 for what you're getting, honestly, kind of sick.
We got
Like,
news,
I'm very
Fletcher.
interested.
We got
Right, coming up. Yep, there it is. PMI. I think it's PMI. What did it do?
I still don't understand why things use USB-A like at all. USB-C is just so much better.
That's pretty much right in line. Forecast 47 is 48.5. It was
Alright.
up a little.
Watch this
Okay.
This 130 level is
My
going to be
keyboard
key.
works,
Okay.
and now let's try to figure out how to connect this to Bluetooth.
What news is it we've got now?
It was S&P manufacturing PMI. And then another 15 minutes, we have ISM PMI. Manufacturing PMI.
I
God, he's on
mean,
track.
shares are ripping. Nvidia's up a lot. Microsoft's making a good recovery. Amazon's up a shitload. I think. What was your call? Where's 400 end of the day? If we hold this 130 level?
If we hold the 130, 200 is what I expect. And then, yes, above there would be my net. I have a level in between there, but I would say 400 would be the logical move. We've always say straight down moves lead to straight up moves back through that same area, because clearly there wasn't a whole lot of volume being conducted there. And if you look,
because it's an imbalance.
Yes.
It's either a busy or a civvy. There's fair value gaps there.
Do you do the same like when
Right,
you go
Fletcher?
and get coffee, Wes, and they're like, "Oh, how are you doing today?" Right, holding 130. I'm targeting 200. You know, anything below, I think we're gonna go and see the 20k region. Sir, I just want to know how your day was.
Yeah, I did come in kind of hot with the market analysis.
The analysis, yeah. It's just chilling. So you did good, Wes.
How we doing over there, Palm?
Doing some tech support is what I'm doing. I think I'm pairing it. It's loading still. Let's see.
He doesn't read the chat, Fletcher.
What's up?
He's telling Nims that he doesn't read the chat because Fletcher's asking about Texas Roadhouse and Nimkins is completely unaware.
Wait. Sorry. I'll open it up. I mean, did you want to let me? You shouldn't have told me about that. Well, I think Texas Roadhouse is doing. Are you a shareholder, Fletcher? Just as a preliminary question.
Fletcher and Dave have become best buds apparently. Like I don't know about this. Maybe bringing Fletcher on was this could be a detriment to the channel.
It was a brilliant move.
I know you loved it, Dave. I know you.
We're gonna have manipulation Mondays with Fletcher and Dave.
That was good.
I like that.
It's the ICT bond.
Yeah, manipulation up, traders down.
Yep.
Okay, connect.
Hey, Texas Roadhouse is doing good, Fletcher.
Manipulation Mondays.
Yeah,
that's awesome.
Where I just bring Dave and Fletcher on.
Yeah. 28% battery. All right, we're working. I got 28% battery in my mouse though. Apparently.
URL.
It's all falling apart, boys. It's all falling apart.
No.
Oh, that will last. 28% will last. That's the general level of my phone battery.
Chat, Palmetto's got prior obligations at 10:45 today, so it probably won't be that long of a stream. We will stay on until he's got to go, but once he's got to go, we'll probably just kill the stream at that point.
Just leave the webcam on.
Just leave
empty chair. Empty chair. You got a little doll or anything, like a teddy bear that you can put in your place?
Yeah, I have a stuffed dog.
Yeah. Just put him on.
Oh man.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Sorry, lads.
Guys, I'll be right back. Stream takeover.
Oh, it's the piss time.
It is
on clockwork.
No, actually, my phone's ringing. When I left it out, I can hear it, and it's over there.
Now, where's this gone? Wes told me, is this true? He told me about like people handing out fentanyl sweets to kids at Halloween.
What?
Is that
I don't know how much of that is true. I've seen
this
that.
is like
I don't
just
know
trying
how
to
much
scare
that's
kids.
True, I think it's more so just like fear mongering for parents, but I don't know.
It's like the razor blades and the popcorn balls or whatever back in the day. I think. I don't know.
Was that a thing? Like people actually did that? I mean, I know there are some
it
out
was.
there. So.
No, they do on political stickers. I've seen the razor blades. So when people try and rip off a political sticker, it's got a razor blade underneath it.
That's cool.
I'm just talking about Halloween when they always had to check homemade candy.
I found needles in chocolate bars. Oh, Fletcher does not live in a good place in America.
Extension to Reese's Cup.
Fletcher lives in the trenches.
It's actually pretty good.
No, I'm kidding, Fletcher. I'm kidding.
Yeah. I mean, before they redeveloped my area and things, we had like a kids' paddling pool. It's just this like little shallow pool of water, and it was just constantly filled with like piss and needles. Ask Palmetto about me smoking with strangers this summer.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is This is PG friendly. This.
No, it is. Fletcher just has this habit of going up to random people and smoking with them.
Oh, but that's just a smoking habit. When you're in a smoking area, you just make friends with your cigarette.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, that's just a standard thing.
True.
I've made
really
many
interested
lifelong
in
friends
short.
in a smoking area.
Are you seriously?
Yeah. I would like it from a little higher than where I'm
I think we got that.
putting the entry, but I'm filled short 51.5.
Okay. I think we go up. It's a cheap trade, like to the top of the range.
I mean, yeah.
I mean,
What
break
for-
that wick is dead, but
Like 51.5 targeting 36, call it.
what? And then invalidation, anything above 60, 61?
Yeah, somewhere around that.
Yeah. I like it. But I do think more upside. But
Yeah,
this is from the man who went long on open yesterday at 20k 500.
Nice.
It's
Wow.
yeah.
Yeah, I mean, buyers are coming through. There's a bunch of selling up here that was looking like it might roll over, so thought it was worth a shot.
Yeah.
Again, like my entry, I don't love where my entry was, though. I think the better entry is actually just this prior high at 65.
Yeah, I'm
Which
long
is-
at
right,
I'm long at
stopped out.
54, and then I'm out. I'm just
Nice,
gonna take that little
nice.
pump up. What did I get out of that? I wasn't quick enough to get 10, I think. Oh,
Ooh, is the
almost
sweep
10.
of the prior high going to pay? So we're above the two standard deviation for VWAP too, which is interesting. Like that's part of why I took that. It's because we tested above and then started reclaiming under it.
What is going on in the
Yeah.
chat right now? I found needles
just,
and chocolate bars.
Yeah.
It's got.
I was asking if you. I asked some questions and it led to this.
Oh,
so
okay.
I answered
Okay.
them.
I get back and I
Yeah,
start
well-
reading the chat and I'm like, wait, what's going on
Yeah,
here? What's
right,
going
right.
on here?
Yeah, it's my fault as usual.
I did take a quick
but-
long there, Wes. I couldn't set on
Yeah.
my hands. I did take a quick long.
I'm
I
sure
should have held it.
I bet you did.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna try to get all your guys' charts set up next week. We'll just have to hop on a call one night so that we can get everything all squared away rather than trying to speed rush it through the setup. So we'll just hop on a call
All right.
one evening next week.
All right. I
Now-
am up 111 bucks trading one micro today.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm on micros. I'm
After
trading
the
flat
hole I
micros.
dug yesterday,
The goat.
it is needed. No, not
Oh,
the
there's
goat.
just I didn't realize that. There's just a ton of orders stacked to the upside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did not see that.
Since I quit vaping, I've not been on a good streak. I feel I might need to start vaping again to get my trading back.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Finding the excuse to pick up the vape again. Yep.
It's just not been the same. I think it's something about like a grape tasting vape, which just makes me trade better.
Or you could just
I
eat
think-
grapes.
Zines, brother, Zines. Oh well, luck. Good you say that, because look what I have here.
Oh, he's definitely still getting his Nick fix. Dave, where is the beer? Al, I was asking.
I already started drinking today. This is my
Nice.
non-alcoholic cider, because I don't drink. So you can drink at any time of the day if you're a non-alcoholic, and it's acceptable.
Wow, you're kind of going overboard with your quitting of things here, Nims. We aren't quitters.
Hey, we'll quit trading with the boys if you keep that up. Right?
No, you
Quit.
you won't quit trading with the boys. You can't stay away, Nims. You
No.
said you were going to be off last week, and then all of a sudden, with about 20 minutes to go, there's the British voice in the background chiming in.
Top of the hour. What do you think that gives us? A dip down, or just right on up?
We have news at 10, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'm expecting nothing but uppies here.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait till after.
Yeah,
news,
look at
but
that.
we'll see.
Look at that. Well, I'm happy with what I did there. Quick in and out. I mean, the way the volatility has been lately, I was like, man, in and out. Although if you held, it'd make your day.
Yeah, there's no. I mean, Kevin's in a great trade right now. He's in a good real.
Yeah,
good
where he's
position.
at. I mean, I shorted yesterday. out of the open, and I got out for like 30 points. I think. Thought it was a 200-point run. I just. Ugh.
All right, possible pullback location on ES coming in here at 58.
Are you trading
57.81. No, but I watch it for possible moves on the NQ and possible like pullbacks.
Gotcha. Yeah, I just pulled up a depth of market. We have a bunch of stacked orders all the way up to 235, and then this big dude sitting down here at 20,000, 28.
235 makes so much sense. That's one of the levels.
All right, Fletcher, you're not stealing my seat, all right? Settle down.
Oh, it's Fletcher's trying to take your seat.
Yeah. We only have one manipulation person that can be allowed on Trading the Boys. All right? Can't have two of you.
Only enough tinfoil hat theory to go around.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure if we did have ICT
so
anywhere in the title, it would be
That is so good.
people would tune in just
Yeah,
for
I mean,
that.
if you really want to pick up traction, just throw that in there.
Yeah.
As many buzzwords as possible.
Fletcher, that's not very good for his narcissism. No, it was good having Fletcher on it. It was good.
It was great.
He was a good guest.
Nah, I didn't like him as a guest.
I think him and Banana,
Boy, he was terrible.
him and Goose were amazing. Were amazing streams.
Whoa,
Yeah.
Let's tone it down a little. Goose was very good. Yeah, I really liked Goose on.
Goose is good. Will
The other name was so.
He's on vacation next week, but we're gonna try to get him on the following. Yeah, we're gonna try to get him on the following week. Yeah.
No one put you on the same level as Goose, Fletcher. No one did it. All right.
No, we're gonna try to bring as many people on as we possibly can. You know, and so that's the direction we want to go. Highlight different traders, different strategies, different market
I
insights.
think Phoenix should come on.
I think Phoenix should as well.
Yeah,
I mean,
that was a great trade.
We've never.
I think Phoenix should.
We've never even heard.
Just,
I've never even heard Phoenix's voice.
It's just a picture of a duck and quacking when he's entering. Just one quack for entering, two quacks for exit.
Yeah.
Does this take 200 before the news, or just settle in here right here and leave something for the news?
Yeah, Chad, if you haven't yet, smash that thumbs up button for me if you could.
Smash it.
If you're watching and haven't
Smash
subscribed
it.
to the channel, please.
Look at you, the YouTuber. Smash that like button and subscribe.
I know, it still feels weird saying. I still cringe every
Hit that bell
time I say it.
notification. Forgot the bell notification.
Hey, you forgot that one.
And Palm, we'll shoot for Monday as well, by the way. Oh yeah, speaking of which, how'd the doctor's appointment go?
It was okay. I'm slightly better.
Okay.
You going blind?
Pick up another. Dude, I hope not. That would suck so much.
Did they get that out? Did they get that out of your eye, or what? Was there something in there?
There's nothing in there. I think I might just have like chronic dry eye syndrome, which sucks.
Okay.
Really sucks, but it's better today for sure. I got one set of eye drops yesterday that I started using, and I think it has helped. And then I'm getting another set today that are like a more long-term fix.
Do you wear contacts?
No, I wear glasses. Donna blocked me. I'll spam her chat with memes. Yeah, basically.
Oh, Port, you ate too much candy.
Funny.
You got the shakes today. Got your nerves all in a row.
That's a good one.
Okay,
That was a good one.
Oh, what are you gonna do?
That's gonna go up.
Yeah, 100%.
Oh, the screenshots from today too. That's funny.
Blue light lenses.
Yeah. Well, so that's what I thought these were gonna be, and then they weren't, and it was too late to change them. But it is a good idea.
Pull back into 130 for us. Pull back into 130 for us.
It would be nice.
Give us that 130 pullback.
I wonder if it just bounces over overnight highs.
Yeah, relatively tame news. Like, I want to get long right here.
Rubber, if you're on the stream, congratulations on your free NVIDIA shares.
I am long. We'll see if it pays.
Alrighty, Palm. I like your style.
Like a fat block at 190 right above this prior high.
I mean, I like
run it.
uppies. I
I'm
want
not.
some
I like
deeper.
uppies. I don't know if I'm ready to jump. Though.
Yeah, that was an aggro, an aggro long position there.
Yeah.
Wait, who's long? Who's long?
I am
Almost.
163 quarter.
Okay. I thought that would have been
Yes.
Dave. I didn't think it'd be I'm jumping up here.
Yeah, think about that for a second, right?
Yeah, things have changed. He puts on the golf gear, he turns into you. It's
Oh,
the
that's
slow,
good.
it's the little transformation going on right
That's so
now.
good. I
We had
love
the
it.
pre-stream
was-
like, oh, you need these golf clubs and you need to take 20 entries from open.
Kevin, I was just looking at that. Like, we swept the low of this range
Yeah.
at 20,080 yesterday and have consolidated and held it. I think the rotation back up to 20,300 makes sense, honestly. Whether or not we trade above it, I think hitting 20,300 does make sense.
Yeah.
I agree.
I
Those
agree.
long positions looking
Well,
pretty suspect. There's sellers
Fri-
coming in.
Fridays usually retrace Thursday's move. Well, retrace some of it. So going
There's
back up.
just so much liquidity higher.
Yeah, I like uppies for now.
I'm gonna target 20,002 or the 220. Kind of greedy, but like there's just so many blocks up there.
Looks like the aggressive entry might have been the play.
Yeah.
And
Well,
As
no.
I say it, we get a
Yes.
snag.
I need to say it.
Until we run the prior high, it's suspect all the way.
Yeah, you're like right in the middle of
Yeah,
right in the
that's
middle of it.
thing. That's a tough thing.
Martin, today's news should send us market higher. I agree. I mean, and structurally, that was a straight down move all the way. Like even on the ES, if you look at the ES hourly, straight move all the way from what is that 5,800 about all the way down to 5,770. So I would expect the 30-point move back up to be fairly straightforward back through there. It could be a slow climb, a slow grind, but I would expect that to get retraced at this point as long as we're holding above 5,770.
Right, so we-
Am I allowed a bathroom break? Is that allowed?
So we had some.
my non-paid contract.
All right.
I mean, I take them.
Opt out.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, but you're the CEO.
It was pretty
it's different
aggressive,
rules for you.
Palm.
It was
I mean,
aggressive.
I like your thought
Here.
though. I think we go back up.
Curious to see if it takes.
Wes will be long 130 by the time I get back.
I mean, I really do like that thought.
I mean, I like the longs. The aggro entry in the 60s was he knew. I mean, he said
Yeah,
it when he
no,
got
I
Sure,
to
knew.
it was.
It was
Oh,
aggressive.
it's totally aggressive, which is fine. I mean, I'm tempted to ride around here, but let's see if it could drop a little more. Yep, there we go. I'm not in yet.
Damn, that rotation off the 80s paid perfectly too.
Boy, it
That's
did.
what I've been looking at a lot recently is just like literally just stepping in front at the 80s. Like a lot of times I've found recently at least you get at least 10 points immediately. And then here it's paying more. It's up to 40 points now, but like 20s and 80s recently I've been
Yeah,
money
I've been
for
paying.
games.
Fletcher's begging for 120. What do you got at 120, Fletcher?
I like. I don't know if it goes down that far.
I know. I like to hold above 130. And we're getting into that zone where I might think about it.
See what this
Oh,
one's
that's where
doing.
your entry is 120.
See what we get out of this.
I mean,
I like 120 as well.
Do you? Yeah, there's kind of a
Yeah.
ledge there
Yeah.
that could act as support. I mean, I like the wick and
Yeah.
reclaim look here at 130. Sure. So 120 would be. I'd
That'd
want
be
to.
nice.
I'd want to wait for the reclaim, but might not even get there.
Looks
I
like
don't
it's
know
just
if we
gonna
Yeah,
go
it
go.
might be bottoming out here. We'll see.
I'm long.
Oh,
I like it.
I like longs.
Let this thing breathe.
Where you long from, Dave?
I got in
Oh,
late.
nice.
I got in at 42. I wanted to get in
Nice,
at
that's nice.
36.
Morning,
Typical
Rice.
break even.
Morning.
Welcome, Rice.
Morning. I mean, I'm break even now, so let's see what happens.
You told
Yeah,
him.
it came down to
your
me.
break. Yep.
Yeah, that's okay.
Shouldn't say you break even, David. It would have ripped.
I know.
It would have been at
Phil got
200
me.
now if you didn't say that.
Morning, Miss
Phil got me.
Begotten. Oh, congratulations. You got back your PA?
Nice, dude.
Nice.
Nice. I still think this thing goes up.
Yeah, it's looking like it. Looks like we're gonna hold the bottom of the volume around like 130ish and rotate higher.
Yeah.
No 120 buy for me.
What did I say pre-market,
let it
Nims?
breathe.
What did I say
Let it breathe.
pre-market, Nims?
When I asked you how you're doing today,
Yeah. What did I say?
yeah, I said the same, but then I said I've been wrong all day. You also were talking about the 18Ks.
No, I was talking about 19.9.
No.
Yeah, I
Wes
jumped back in at
Wes said
52.
to me today,
There
he
was
said he said circuit breaker when it reopens 14K close. That's what I was told.
I see it's story time right now.
Verbatim.
By the way, I jumped back in at 52.
Wait, you're
God
just
damn, wait, what?
you're just slanging over there, Dave? All of a
Yeah,
sudden,
wait, I
mean,
what's going on?
Am I
here?
wrong?
No.
Am I
No,
wrong?
no,
No,
You're
no.
not wrong. When did the first trade close? When did you close the
Yeah.
first trade?
Yeah, I know. It was
I mean,
long-
I didn't let that first one breathe enough. Otherwise, I'd have been all set.
Oh, it's
so
sold out.
yeah, it stopped out. So now I'm break even again because I went in 5 micros. I've already taken 3 off. So
just
we're
hold your
gonna let it
position.
swap.
You
I'm holding it now.
You got plenty of room. ES just broke that wick on the hourly can. You got
Yep.
plenty of room now. Plenty of
Here,
room.
holding
to
it
upside.
now.
Yeah, this is the rotation I wanted. Go sweep the highs and go ring.
Sorry, Fletcher. It left your order behind down there.
That's right, Phil. I like that, Phil. That's exactly right. Now we'll just hang on to it, see what happens.
All right, 130 block at 190. Right, 120. People are dropping out.
I might get out.
Yeah, that block at 190.
No, just hold, Dave. Just hold.
I'm gonna hold. I mean, I went break even. I'm only got 2 runners, 2 micro runners. I put on 5, took 3 off already, so I'm good. I'm gonna hold on to this puppy.
Yep. If it comes back to your break even, it comes back to your break even. But
Exactly. I've already made money. So I mean, just missed that 200, didn't it? By a little bit, 6 points.
Kev, you think we come back to 130?
If we do, I'll just get back in.
He wants to. He's probably got minis sitting there, hasn't he?
Yeah,
His minis were lower, I thought.
that's gonna come tumbling down a little bit. Let's see what it does.
I mean, there are. Holy, you weren't lying about the orders stacked in up there.
Yeah.
Holy. From just below 210 all the way up to almost 240.
Well, I'm gonna 235-ish is what I thought originally this morning that we. Well, 250 really, but 235-ish is the first kind of.
I'm trying to hold 170 here.
Take a look at what the YM is doing over here on the hourly.
Oh,
Oh,
God.
what are all this?
Being obedient. Look at that nice little climb.
Whoa.
Wow.
I don't quite understand.
Hey, hold this. Hold the line. Hold the line.
Wow, YM.
Are we
is
really gonna
just
bounce
straight
170?
shot.
Yeah,
I hope
I had an order at 162. I don't think it gets filled.
You know, all the doubters from getting back in at 152. Yeah. All right.
Who doubted you, Dave? No one doubted you.
This is a good meme. I'm gonna send this one to Donna.
Stop.
You
Yeah,
stop.
Palmetto's being an instigator over there. My goodness.
It's so funny.
Where do we set IB, Palm? That's what I want to know. Hopefully higher.
Dude, I don't know.
Nims, you're awfully quiet over there. What's going on?
Yeah, I'm long.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
welcome to the party.
Oh,
Did
you
you
just
get
got
in?
long and weren't going to tell us? That's cool.
Yeah, that's what they do, Palm.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what they do.
Where did you get in, Nims?
I'm not saying, okay?
Oh my
Not till I'm out of this trade.
I moved my stop loss all the way up to 180. How's that? I'm kidding. It's a take.
See if we can break this top.
It's such a good.
I'll talk about it in a minute, okay?
Well, I think we break the top.
I haven't seen green on a long for quite a few. Well, so yesterday I didn't see. I tried to long all day yesterday, and that went really well.
Well, I'm so tempted to take this off. I'm gonna let it run.
No, just let it go.
We're really bad. I go fill all of this liquidity, and
Yeah.
I'm not going to be in for the move. That's really sad.
Here's a key spot.
All right, I'm
200
take
is
it. I'm
key.
take it off at 200.
take
I was
one off here.
long from
I took one off. Now I got one.
I was long from 59.75.
You guys should be holding still. There's all
I'm
that
holding.
liquidity
I
up
took
there.
the runner.
Yeah, well,
Just leaving the run.
I was scared after what happened
Look
to me
at
yesterday.
that.
I'm telling you, there's 100 block orders stacked in all the way up through here. There's no way that they don't fill all these.
Okay.
Oh, how high up does it go?
All the way up to almost 240.
Yeah, I have 235 is like the last big block, and then there's some smaller orders right around 250.
Yeah, this is. It probably even keeps running through it, to tell you the truth.
We will see. There's a lot of buyers. My long was right.
What a get out! What a get out!
Just 20
Right,
points
right.
off. 20
Yeah,
points off of where it needed to be.
I'm
Dave,
still in.
Dave, I'll tell you when the ES gets to that level.
All right.
Here's 220. I'm really interested to see now if we bounce 10 points off of this. It's like really strong buying with magnets above. Very curious.
Fletch, I'm holding it, dude. I don't know where. I'm bringing my stop loss up, though. I'm not going to let this run all the way back through.
When the ES gets to 5,800, around like 58 or 57.98, that's when I would start watching the NQ, which would be a clean sweep all the way up to 240, probably on the NQ. So just hang in
I
there.
put the take profit at 235. I need to move that up, but that's where my TP is right now.
I can't lie, I shorted 220.
272.
What? Did you really?
Oh my!
We got a contrarian on the on the
my.
stream today.
I just for the 10-point rotation off.
All right,
I'm
Fletcher.
curious to
I'm
see if it
270.
happens.
Why
Yeah,
270?
there.
Even the rotation to like 190.
There you go. You got it. You got it.
Yeah, filled out
Good
the
trade. Well done.
Okay,
Dude,
that
I'm
better
telling
be
you,
it.
the 80 to 20 10-point bounce recently has been insane. Like, consistently. For very limited risk, too.
Phoenix.
There's a meme for you in Discord, Dave. Let me.
There's so much
Oh
when I
no!
take this off.
No, hang in there. Hang in there. It's just your runner. Let it go. You're in a good spot.
Dave fighting the urge to close it.
I am so fighting the urge, but no,
No,
here,
see,
I'll just keep my hands right here.
Yeah.
There's no reason. You only have
that's
one.
hilarious.
You only have one micro left, right?
Yeah,
Let it
There's
go.
no reason. There's no reason to.
You're in a
I
great
moved
spot.
the take profit. I moved it all the way up to 280.
You are in a great spot.
280. Oh boy, he wants the big boy rotation.
This is tricky here at 220, isn't it?
Hold it so we can flex.
Just
Yeah, hold it for the fire reacts on Discord.
I got an ICT team building in my in my stream. All of a sudden,
That's how that works, man.
my
Oh.
goodness.
It's the ghost in the machine. You can't fight it.
Yeah, just hold that position, Dave. You're not gonna get a better entry. So
Yeah, no, that was good. Well, I had a better one at 242. It me out break even when I got too aggressive. This is a beautiful trade. Look at it go. Okay. Yes, it's coming up.
Kill the stream right before the TP, Wes. We can't let the ICT folks win. Right before he takes profit, just like be like, all right, guys, have a good weekend. We'll see you later.
I mean, I don't know if I take another trade after this one.
Friday's
Not a
out.
bad idea.
Hey, Dave,
Yeah.
Not a nice trade.
I have heard you do that. Say that every single day. You say I'm
Yeah.
800. I'm
It's
done
true.
for the day.
It's
Pre-market. Next thing I know, you appear like 6 hours later in the voice chat. Just dug myself out of a big hole. Got back to green again.
Yeah.
So true. So true. Okay, we're stalling a little bit here. How much time is left on this? Oh, 3 minutes.
The one big lock left 2 to 7, right above the
I know,
sky high.
almost took it.
No, just hang in there.
I'm hanging in.
You're
Hanging
fine.
in.
It's your runner. Let it go. Let it
This is
run.
true. Doesn't matter.
You've already got your core off. You've got everything locked in.
Yeah.
That's why you scale out.
So you could do this, yeah. And there's a lot of haters out there, Fletch.
I know. When I saw that, that was funny.
The meme is really funny.
I wish I could see it. I can't navigate away from my Discord.
It's pretty good.
I'll look at it after the stream.
Well, this is a bad. I tell you what, Wes. I don't know why you lose on stream. Fletch, the ICT guy's got it figured out.
Oh my gosh! Here we go.
Oh no.
Palmetto,
What have
chime
you started?
in. Palm, chime in, please. Chime
Get
in. Here we
Fletcher.
go.
Fletcher, what do you think about ICT's performance in the Robins?
Nims, he lost on purpose, bro. Come on.
The market makers were after him.
Yeah.
It ain't over till it's over, Fletcher says.
Oh, yeah.
It's over.
It's over. It's so over.
Does he have enough leverage to still be able to trade it?
What is this ICT y'all keep talking about? Sounds like you need to start studying up for it.
Oh god.
It's so good.
240.
240 is. Oh, there it is.
Oh
Now
my
what does it do?
lord, why did I get out? Oh, this is
No, I told you guys, don't get out. There's no reason to get out.
Well, there is starting to come up now a reason to get out.
I mean,
No.
the reason to get out was the landfill that I dug in my back garden yesterday. I need to start filling it in somehow.
There is
You
no
know what?
reason. There's still no reason to get out.
I'm taking it off. I'm taking it off. I couldn't handle it.
You couldn't handle it, runner.
Dave.
I'm
You
kidding.
couldn't handle your one micro runner.
I'm kidding. No, it's still
Alright.
on.
We cleared out liquidity up here. Big block sitting at 20,011, so just below overnight lows. Rotation all the way back down, anyone?
Well, I did bring
no.
my stop loss up.
No,
I'm
I
not.
did bring my
I'm
stop
not
loss
shorting this. I am
400.
not shorting
up.
this.
I'm not shorting this ever. No. Well, not ever.
Ever.
Not right now. Not right now.
Ever.
Oh.
Sorry. It's 253
All right,
is
guys,
really,
I'm short. No, I'm kidding.
Oh man.
253 is really my spot.
I mean, Nvidia's up 3.4% today. I don't think
Nice.
you can short this. Kev, do you want to say it? Do you want to give your little speech?
255 is my spot.
Oh, I'm sure
That's
Kev's
where
giving
I'm
a
at.
speech. Where's the VIX at right now?
VIX is down. Nvidia
Six
up.
is down.
Only look for longs.
I should have held. Here comes the shoulda,
Oh
coulda, wouldas.
no!
Here
Oh,
comes
God.
the shoulda, coulda, wouldas.
All right, block Kev before the Captain Hindsight speech starts coming.
Yeah, it's coming.
This is still, no matter what happens after this, is a spectacular trade. I want 250, well, 250, 253, but I'll say 250.
I mean, you say whatever happens, if it comes down and wicks you out and gives you some slippage.
Oh,
break
Savvy.
even.
Savvy for 15 points. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I've done that. I can't tell you how
man.
many times this week. How many times I would have had a 200-pointer yesterday? Everybody can have that though. But
I don't know, guys. The read was fairly obvious today. Holds above that 130 were pretty key. You could tell that was the spot that needed a hold.
Wes, why did you have 130 though? What made you have 130? What structure said that to you?
Look at your higher time frame.
It was a fair value gap, Dave.
It was a fair value gap.
No, because that's what I'm looking at 131. So yeah, a hold above that. That's what I liked it on the hour, 131. That's why I liked it. I don't know why Wes picked it though.
Fair value gap. Yeah.
Oh,
After the manipulation, there was a fair value gap there.
For me, when you look on the hour, there's that from yesterday, that one spike up, and it was a red candle, but it spiked up to 132. And if you look at this hour candle, it came right down to it almost. That's what I was looking at. That's why I liked 130.
If you look at all the tests on it on the hourly over the past day or so,
look at it.
That's
It's just banging it.
That's why, yeah.
Porch, I don't blame you. I don't blame you that your nerves are shot after yesterday and the last few days on the NQ.
And the next stopping point for me is really going to be probably, 286 makes sense.
I'll be out of 250 if it gets there.
Oh, it's going to get there. We're straight down through this whole area that we're in right now. So the straight up makes sense.
Straight up makes sense. Now, Fletch will understand what I'm talking about here on the hour. You're kind of coming right. I mean, you got a little bit more. You got to go to what? What do you have to go? 3? Maybe even 3.
Just mute him, Wesley. Mute him.
Just mute him.
Oh, me. Wow. Trying to spread some knowledge.
We've got lots of knowledge on here. We get ICT. I learned about pest control.
I'm out now at 250. Came close. There it is. Out.
Nice.
I also learned about the dangers of giving out vegetables to trick-or-treaters yesterday.
You can't.
You were.
Did you actually give out vegetables? That's crazy.
I asked what would happen.
Your house would be toilet papered and egged in America if you were handing out stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's insane, bro. It's wild.
I like 283 as a kind of a stopping point though, but I'm out at 250.
I just took a short from 250 for like 14 points. I might have to call it there, lads. Have to head out. I'm down 210 on the day. I'm not going to be surprised if I could have held this short for like 30 points, but whatever. I can give like 5 more minutes, but I got to bounce.
I mean, it's counter trend though. That was a counter trend trade. Trying to hold that forever. And that's, look at it. See, it's coming back on you now. So
yeah,
I love that trade.
14 points go.
Yeah.
20s, 50s, 80s, man. They've been paying.
Well, guys,
loved that. Loved it.
I am up
$7 billion.
No, 1,200.
A new 10,000 square foot house. 1,200, nice, dude.
I'm up 1,200 on the day. So I'm fine with that for the first hour of trading.
Nice.
Well done, Wes.
That's really good.
You respect Dave. But you keep it down, Fletch.
All right, Palm. Well, since you got to go to work, we'll call it there because if you leave, obviously the cameras are going to get all jacked up.
Do you want to let your stuffed dog trade for you and put him in your place?
No, we're not going to force him to leave his webcam on. Come on. That's a little absurd. All right, well, boys, you got anything to say to the chat before we call it here early on this Friday?
I'll leave my affiliate link for free shares in the main chat for everyone if anyone would like to sign up. Rabba just signed up and he got 29 euros of Nvidia shares. And that could be you too if you use the affiliate.
What is that, like 10% of a share?
Yeah, you just get like a fraction. There's like a percentage chance. You can get up to £100 in shares. So I don't know what that's like, $130.
However, this doesn't apply to. He doesn't think Americans are allowed to.
Yeah, it's the European audience that I'm
okay,
targeting.
good.
Yeah,
I see.
yeah.
Discrimination. Very
Yep,
good.
yep,
Discrimination into buying an American company.
Yeah.
Correct, yeah.
Incredible.
So good. That's so good.
All right. Well, now that Nimkins
You
has
think
said
we
his
roll
piece,
over again here?
Well, IB's going to be set here pretty quick. But,
Yeah,
Palm's gonna
well,
get stuck here trading for the next 20 minutes. You want?
Yeah, I mean, we
Yeah,
could-
which
I mean,
the IB break looks good
hypothetically-
today. IB break looks good today.
He's like,
Oh,
I got.
are you
He's
kidding
like,
me? It
I,
looks horrendous.
he's like, I got about 5 minutes. Well, the rollover here looks good.
Yeah, that's literally what I'm
so
thinking.
good. I mean, seriously, so good.
I mean, we could hang out till IB's set. You know?
All right. Well, we'll give it another 5 minutes. Actually, I got to run to the restroom anyway, so have fun watching IB get set.
Lovely.
No, this is pretty good. I mean, this was a better day than I thought it would be. I mean,
Dave, keep it that way. No more trading.
Yeah, Dave.
Yeah, well,
what's
I'm
your
done.
P&L after that?
Nah,
I'm not-
you
yeah,
actually done?
I did some stupid things pre-market, so I'm only up
Okay.
about $300. So
That's still
which
good.
is fine.
That's still
$300 a
good.
day only up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm okay with that because I went to micros.
All
Nice,
right.
dude.
So
Dave, do you
I'm-
ever find that like, do you ever find the number plays? So like in this case, 300 up. Do you ever find that plays like tricks on your psychology? And like
Yeah.
you see it, you think, oh, I'm only 300 up. Let me push for more, and then you give it all back and then some.
yeah, that's been happening to me. Or I'll be 500 or 600, but oh well, I can just get to 1,000. And honestly, when I was doing Sierra charts with Apex, I didn't have all I had was points. I didn't have the dollars, and I'm going to change that here with this. That I think the dollars mess you up. I really
Yeah,
do.
100%. I don't like having it in dollars either. I
And
took
that's
the
messed
P&L
up.
off my screen.
Ooh, I think I might do that actually.
Yeah,
That's a
it
better
seems
way to go.
smart. I was
Yeah,
The
going to
only
do
way
it
I
one
can
day.
see, the only way I can see my P&L is if I like specifically tab over to my positions tab, and then I can
That's
see
smart.
it. But otherwise, I can't.
That's really smart.
Um,
I think I'll do that. And I'm going to set in. I've set in the now locks.
Mhm.
It was at 750, but I'm going to probably move that to 500 on the loss side, and then it locks me out.
Okay.
So I might just do that. That's a good.
This
That's a much
sounds
better idea.
really counterintuitive, but what kind of helped me with all of this recently has been just trading more accounts. So like the fact that you can trade, like my average day recently has been like 300 to 500 ish, kind of in that range,
It's really good.
which like normally
That's
I'd be
good.
like, I don't really
Good.
care. But then you see it copied across 5 accounts and you're like, you know what? 500 or like even 300 times 5, 1500 in a day. Like I'll take that. I'll take that and walk away and feel great about it.
It's a force multiplier. I mean, it's unbelievable. I mean, I think at some point they're going to cut that out. They just had to do it everybody had to do it from a competitive standpoint. But
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know
I don't
what
think
like,
they'll
the
cut it out now it's been
regulation-
put in. That's what people want, and like other prop firms will offer it. So I think it's just going to become an industry staple.
yeah, it'll
Yeah,
just
I-
maybe be limited. It won't be 20 accounts anymore at some point.
No, but I think that now the new industry staple seems to be like pay for director funded to get out of an evaluation, pay a premium, and just like
We'll see. If the big guys start doing that, then sure. But like the only ones that have really started doing that are what, like Tradeify and Fast Track. And Fast Track is
my funded futures.
the milestone program. Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
That's different though. That's like honestly, I think it doesn't matter what I think, but if others start adopting, I could see them going the my funded futures, like the milestone route. I think the way Fast Track is doing it is just a Ponzi scheme.
Yeah, fast track Ponzi scheme. My funded futures, it looks like there's the steps to take you straight to a live account, which seems like the sensible thing to do.
Yeah, that one makes sense. I'm a fan of that.
Yeah.
Oh, there's going to
Oh, IB just said.
and they're through. It's getting up to my 280.
Yeah,
yeah,
I really want the 280 short.
Yeah, that's what I was looking
Like
for.
right behind IB, hit 280, wick back
Here's
into
what they-
IB. Looks
Fletch
pretty
was right.
solid to me.
72, Fletch, man. You had it. You nailed it. And I like that level too. I should have held on, but there we go.
See if I actually.
I kind of like the short now, although way counter trend.
I don't know. Looking
I
at
give-
the shares, I think we're just going to rifle up.
Yeah, you get your face ripped off on counter trend.
Yeah, I'm gonna target that block down there at 20,000. No big deal. I'm kidding.
But Paul, what you're talking about psychologically, that's really, I mean, that's spot on.
Yeah, it's definitely been interesting for me to kind of see that happening real time.
I like it.
Dude, I hope we actually get the wick into 280 to fill me, and it looks like we might not. We might just
You're not.
get
It's
off
coming.
this.
It's gonna.
That being said, though, another thing, like the IB, so I had the IB breakout strat on the U contract, and the U contract just had some crazy breakouts.
Need
The
every
Z
day.
contract, yeah, the Z contract, the wick and reclaims have been like the same level of, I don't want to say certainty, but the same level of profitability as the IB breakouts were.
They
which is
were
really
amazing.
interesting.
I
Yeah.
was slow to learn that that it had changed with Z for whatever reason, and I was slow to learn that. But
Yeah,
And I
I didn't
kinda-
know about that at all either until I talked with
Yeah.
Goose about it, and he was saying that from his years of experience of like looking at it, each contract has kind of its own like seasonality, its own nature, if you want to call it that. So certain
Wow.
contracts do certain things better. At least that's like what he's noticed. So you
makes
had
sense.
a ton of crazy breakouts. Everything was like when you broke a level on you, it wasn't like a 2-3 point wick and reclaim. It was like 10 to 20 points just straight through. And then if it came back, it came back. But
I would front run it by 10 points, knowing
I
that
know.
it was just it would go another 10 points. There was
Yeah,
no
you're-
danger. There was no danger.
You're cruising on those.
Yeah.
But that's what the at least from what I've seen, the IB wick and reclaims have been starting to like. Even this one, if you got short right at IB 71, you would have still gotten at least 10 points out of that.
Yep.
So, speaking of shorts, my 80 fill might get filled out here. It'd be pretty cool. 80 into like 50 would be awesome, but I don't think I can get that.
Because we just did that. I don't know if it's going to do it now.
Yeah, this is feeling
Yeah.
like.
Oh, welcome back.
Yeah, I'm here. I heard the whole IB stats conversation.
And look at the. Oh, you're not going to get it.
I don't think I will. That sucks.
Would have been a nice
But
one.
I mean, short off IB's paying, like we were just talking about. Take the fade. Yeah, I would have filled my target. All right, I'm gonna call it there then, for myself at least.
All right, Palm. Well, since you're calling it, we'll all call it. Because once we lose your camera, it's over. It'll take me a
Alright.
few minutes to get everything all set up. It's all
Dave's
good.
got an appointment at the golf course.
Yeah,
Dude.
no, it's fine. He looks like he's ready for the course.
Dress for it. Dress for the job you want.
He's got an
not the one you
appointment at the
have.
golf course as well. He's pretending he's got work.
Every guy
He's dressed for it.
I know.
Dress for the job you want, not
Yeah.
the one you
They've
have.
put in a tea time together.
So
All
I'm
right,
not sure what
guys.
Nims is dressed for.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for coming on. Chat, I'll be hanging out in Discord for a while today. Probably still looking for trades. Palmetto, we will speak over the weekend, and we'll try and get you on Monday solo.
Hell yeah.
Thanks for coming on, guys. Appreciate you. Good trading today, by the way. Is anybody? Well, I think
I'm red, but
Palmetto's
I'm down
red?
10 points.
yeah, good.
Baby
I mean,
red.
I'm up 80 points.
Let's go.
Well, guys, enjoy your weekend, and we will reconvene on Monday at 9:20 a.m. Eastern. Palmetto should be on with me that day, so
Awesome.
Yeah, that's the
So,
plan.
yeah.
I can't think of anything off the top of my head that would keep me from being on. So.
all right.
Oh, fantastic.
Oh my god, dude! I want the short so bad.
Here we
I
go.
want it so
Here we
bad.
go.
Yeah.
I'm trying to
Sure.
do an outro here.
I'm sorry.
All right, we're gonna call it there, boys. Enjoy the rest of your day, chat. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you on Monday. Peace.
See you.